Question 2344 asks us to synthesize this, starting with this. It asks us how we would do it. So a couple of things that I want to note. One is that the nitro stays consistent through here. Not that we couldn't recreate this nitro later, but that's a place that we can start from. Notice that we have initially an ortho-para director and a meta director. So installing these bromines should be relatively straightforward if we have this nitrogen still present and that nitrate still present. Also, this nitro group is one that we can convert to a diazonium salt and then eventually convert to pretty much anything else through a Sandmeyer reaction. So that's kind of the general strategy we're going to use. We want to use these two groups as they are, or more or less as they are, to install these two bromines, and then we'll convert the NH2 to a diazonium salt and then to a bromine through a Sandmeyer reaction. The first hurdle that we have, though, is that this is really activating. And so to be sure we don't overactivate, I think I would like to use a formal chloride and create the amide derivative of this, which is much less active. I chose formal chloride because it's relatively small and will still allow me to add on to these positions, but it'll prevent me from adding on to these positions. It's not anywhere near as active. We can go through an electrophilic aromatic substitution addition with bromine and FeBr3. If we do that twice, we can install bromine at the two most likely positions, the positions that are ortho to this and para to this nitro. And so that's what we're going to do. Extra carbon there, and the nitro, and the aromatic. So now we're pretty close already. The next thing that we need is a Sandmeyer reaction. The Sandmeyer reaction takes place with some sort of acid catalyst and an amine, and also sodium nitrite. We can first hydrolyze this off and then react, but if our acid is sulfuric acid always has some water. It's needed to dissolve the H2 or the SO3. It's a hydrated gas to make this acid. So we can use sulfuric acid as this and then the sodium nitrate. The first part of this reaction will hydrolyze this off, and then we will convert to the diazonium salt with sulfate as our counter ion, or bisulfate. This nitro across stays there, the bromines will also stay there. From here, we can react all the way to this product by using just a copper bromide salt. That's the Sandmeyer reaction. So that's the steps that we need to go through.